Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'm going to show you guys how to match the skin tone in Photoshop. So if you have been having difficulties on how to match skin tone after retouching, don't worry, this video got you covered. So without wasting much time, let me show you how to match the skin tone like a pro. I mean a real pro in Photoshop. So let's just head to it. So what I'm going to use on this video is the Retouching Academy panel. So I'll just come right to where I have my magical skin tone after clicking on the Retouch Academy panel. So if it's showing like this, just make sure you click on this icon right here. So you head to where you have the magical skin tone. So that's where you're going to click. So I'm just going to click on it. So after clicking on it, you allow it to load. Yours might not take long, so just allow it to load. So after loading, this is how it's going to show. So it has actually done some settings inside of it, and it has grouped everything automatically and also name it, then also added a layer mask to it. So what I'm going to do right here is to unveil what is on this layer mask by just painting through on the skin. I mean just the skin. So you don't allow it to enter the eye or the lips or the cloth area or any jewelry she's putting on. So just paint it on the skin only. So I'll just come to my brush tool right here. Make sure you click on the brush tool. Then make sure your opacity is at 100. So I'll just increase that to 100. And once all of this is checked, just come right click on it and set the hardness to 50. So once that is being set, you hit enter. So after clicking that, I'll just start painting through. So and also your foreground color should be on white. So because you're trying to unveil what's on this black layer mask, so your foreground color should be on white. So I'll just start painting the area I want this effect to be added. So while doing yours, you need to be careful. So after this bracket here, you just click on this key and see where the effect is being added so that you won't make a mistake. So I'll just paint it carefully. I'll just paint it carefully. As I said earlier, don't allow this effect to enter the lips or the eye area. You just end up spoiling the image or spoiling your editing. So you need to be careful while doing this. So like this place, I have a little bit, it has entered the lips a bit, so I'll just change it to black, then I'll paint it out, then turn it to white, then continue painting it out. So you guys going to love this, the after of this process. So just stick around. I'm just going to paint this. I'm trying to show you how important you need to take time to do it. So that's why I'm doing this right here, and I'm not rushing. I'm trying to make it as accurate as possible so I can have a best result of it. So you need to be patient on this since you want to have a professional picture, so you need to take your time. And I'll just paint this out. And don't allow it to enter the air. As I said, just the skin. And I'll take this up. I'll just come here and I'll do it, paint it out. See, as I'm being careful on this, and I'll just paint this so you guys can see. Let me just take this out quickly. So I'll zoom it out. So as I'm done painting it, I'll come back to this key after the bracket, then I'll click on it again. So let me show you the before. So this is the before and after. So if you think like this area that is being dark, so if I want to take that off, I'll come below this skin tone correction, then I'll just pick on my lasso tool, then I'll select this dark area. I just want to add a little bit of brightness to it, so I'll just right click, then feather it to 66 and hit OK, then and I'll just add a little bit brightness. So once I'm done, so you guys can see this is the before and after. So make sure if you want to add brightness or reduce brightness, make sure it's under the skin tone correction layer. It's under it, and the skin tone correction should be on top. So this is the before and after. You can now see the effect before and after. So this is how I got to match skin tone in my pictures. So I'm showing you guys the easy step on how to do this using the Retouch Academy panel. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorial videos. But for now, I hope to see you in the next video.